Hi guys, today I am going to be making my daughter's hair. This is her hair. We've relaxed it before so that we can just be able to handle it. She had really hard hair. It was like 4C hair, though it was manageable, but I decided to relax it just to make it more manageable. So we've washed it, and these are the products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this Dream Kids Olive Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. It is also a detangler. And then I have this Miadi hair food, which I came with from Kenya a while back, and it has lasted us till now. And then I also bought some braiding gel, which I am really hoping that it is going to do us justice. And then I have our electric comb. So she wants to do boho braids. I have never ever done boho braids. And then I also had to buy a crochet because I did not have a crochet. And because braiding hair here is very expensive, I decided to, just watch videos on YouTube and see how we can do this. I used to crochet my hair before. I used to crochet myself, but I've never crocheted someone. So this is going to be something new. So these are the braids that we're going to be using. She wanted black, and we got 2 packets, which was around $15. And I felt the pinch, but I told her, you know what, this hair, it has to stay on that head for a while because that amount of money. And of course, if I was to pay someone to do it for her, I would pay so much money. So I just decided, since I normally do their hair anyway, crocheting would not be that hard. So we are going to try this, and hopefully it is going to turn out good. To begin, I am going to straighten the hair or just brush it out with the electric brush, just so that it is easy for me to plait it and so that it comes out a bit neat. And then I'm going to be dividing and using the braiding gel so that her hair can lay flat. As you can see, her hair also has a bit of growth, but because her hair is manageable for now, we are going to use this as our protective style. And then when we take them out, maybe around end of October, then we are going to treat the hair and retouch with the chemical that we use. But I am not an advocate of putting chemical on kids' hairs. For us, that is just what I wanted to do for her, because yeah, it just made my work easier, and it also just makes it easy for her to manage it in the morning when she's going to school. So the style that I am doing right now, or how I am going to do the crochets, I am going to do like little braids in the front, and then we used to call this style kamatana kitambo because it's like small rastas that kamatana with each other, and then they create a line. So that is what I am going to do. This is how they turned out. I think I did a pretty good job, and the gel also helped with holding the 2 baby hairs and the small hairs together, so it looks very neat. So at the back, I am going to do lines. I'm just going to measure how the kamatana lines have gone, and then I am going to make lines at the back as I am doing here, and then we will start crocheting the hair. Then we will see the end product.
I can try if you let me. With our lives I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you